Hi, a bit of a strange video today. I hope that it makes some sense to someone. The screen's really warped. I don't know what I've done there. Anyway, um, I want to share something that I figured out one day while I was looking out to sea. It was really stormy, and you know, just being in nature often makes me think about life and how the sea can be very calm, and then it can be very stormy. It can go from one extreme to the other, and it made me think about emotion, um, and perhaps a good illustration of people who will experience extremes of emotion would be those folk who have been diagnosed bipolar. So I was watching the ocean and I was thinking about how everything. My cat's trying to climb on me. I'm actually radioactive right now, so she's not supposed to get near my throat. I've just had some treatment on my thyroid gland. Right, keep down there, Ivy. um, yeah, how the universe keeps everything in balance. It's universal law, and so if you experience the lowest of lows, it follows that you will then experience the highest of highs. Now, high highs can be really enjoyable, although if you get too high, it can be a bit scary, a bit too euphoric, a bit, like where you feel like you're just gonna like explode, a bit too intense. So the trick is maybe to close the gap and make it smaller in between the highest high and the lowest low that you experience. But taking an example of a bipolar person who's experiencing the widest extremes, if you think about mood like a continuum where 0 is perfect balance, and one side of the continuum goes from 0 to -1, -2, -3, -3 being the lowest of lows. The other side will go from 0 to +1, +2, +3, +3 being the highest of highs. So the universe requires balance and always gets balance somehow, I believe. And so if someone has experienced a -3 mood, lowest of lows, then so a -3 and then a +3, highest of highs, even though those emotions, those moods are swinging from one extreme to the other, the average of +3 and -3 is 0, perfect balance. Does that make sense? So it may help people who experience mood swings and extremes of emotion, and people who are in the habit of sort of living in chaos as a habit. Chaos can be an addictive cycle, and really it might help some people, I hope, to think about the continuum when you're trying to live your life. And we do want to experience highs, but it's probably more comfortable if we just stay within -1.5, -1, in between -1 and +1. We'll still have highs, but they won't be extreme. And because the highs aren't extreme, the lows won't need to be. This might just seem like insane rambling, but I believe that it's truth. I don't know where it came from. It just came to me when I was looking out to the ocean one day. But when stuff like that comes to me, I know that it's like deep shit and it's really true. So apologies if I've just wasted your time and you're just like, this chick's talking some shit. But hopefully it speaks to someone and helps you to understand and and focus more on balance moving forward. Less extremes of highs and lows. Stay closer to zero. Be blessed.